My job.
Hey.
Hey, I was like expecting her to say more than just that. Well, that's cool. I can do that. Synthetic coral. Okay. I don't have enough. Poop head. Okay.
Holy shit! Where the fuck did you find this? You really don't have to get me stuff. I mean, I appreciate it. I just feel bad.
I just feel bad.
I kinda doubt you'll get this, but I'm gonna ask anyway. How much school have I gone through? I guess I should have given you the benefit of the doubt. What's on your mind? Or you could try asking me a new question.
My bad. Oh, I didn't know her age, height, weight, or occupation. My bad. That's what I think.
Nobody else has ever asked me out before. It's weird. But, okay, sure. I like virtual tennis, but I rarely played the actual game. What the hell? Ugh, this is why I don't bother with girls.
This is why I don't bother with girls. Alright. Alright, just so you guys know, I'm gonna put this out there. I mean, if you don't know because you haven't watched my other videos, it's probably because you should watch more of my videos. Just go back and watch those. For sure. For sure, for sure. For sure. For sure, for sure. Forever, ever, forever, ever. Okay. 10 points to those that could guess that song just now. Alright. Putting it out there, I'm a stoner. I am going to be smoking a bowl throughout this whole episode. Maybe through a couple of episodes, who knows. Just make sure every time you hear the lighter, and if you are a fellow stoner like myself, you might as well just go ahead and take a hit right this very second.
Do you mind if I ask you a question real quick? Have you ever had, like, a serious relationship?
I've never sure. I thought it was pretty serious, at least.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Whoa, that was the wrong answer. That makes no sense how that's the wrong answer. I'm sorry, but if you told that to a girl, then yes, she would like that very much so. Alright, let's go. Let's do... where are we at? Afternoon, evening. Let's go Q. Ew, I apologize. Wow. That was a good one. Alright. Let's see. Q. Hi, Q. Alright, let's go.
Okay, later.
Later.
How you holding up, champ?
Doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Yeah. Yeah. You don't cough, it don't count. Just kidding. Alright. I should just remember that these girls don't like I don't buy them anything really. Did I buy her? No, I haven't bought her. Any pencils? Pink pencils. Wait, yeah. Yeah.
Oh man, I'm definitely gonna get a lot of mileage out of this one. This part never gets old. What? I like to draw. A love fairy can have hobbies too.
That's cute. Again with the fucking eyelash curler. Quit it. Alright, let's
What's good, playa? Talk to me.
It's good, playa. I'm a player. Okay, 50 points. Whoever could name that song. 50 points. Okay, so exactly what old are you?
Ugh. These things are C's. I'm like the flattest fairy ever. You need something? Spit it out.
So I will forget it. When is your birthday?
The universe was given the honor of having me in it on August 3rd. Let's fucking date this shit up.
I love her little responses. They're cute. Let's just do this shit. Alright? Alright. Yeah.
This is definitely where you take a girl if you want to seduce her.